Colorado Center for the Blind. Take charge with confidence and self-reliance.
Hi, I'm Marlene McAllister, and I'm a student of the Colorado Center for the Blind. And this is the project that I'm working on in shop. And I've never been in shop. This is the first time I've ever been around a saw. But I'm really excited about my project because I'm making a stand for a Buddha head that I've had for a very long time. This is a Cambodian Buddha head that I found on a trip to Cambodia and Vietnam while I was working as a vice president at Orbis International, which is a saving site non-governmental organization based in New York City. So I happened to be in Cambodia for a meeting between Laos, Vietnam, and Cambodia with the various ministries of health, and was in Hanoi and Phnom Penh, and I found this Buddha head in Hanoi. So I've had the Buddha for quite a while, and my shop instructor, Chris Kinney, as we were talking about a project for me that would be fairly easy, simple, easy for me to carry home, quick to do because I'm going to graduate in August, it dawned on me I could make a stand for that Buddha head. So that's what I'm doing. So this is 10 inches, so the box is going to be 10 inches square, but it's going to be like an obelisk. And the Buddha head's about this tall. So this is cherry, a pretty wood for it to sit on. This will be a 10-inch square box. And this is a clamp or a vise to hold the saw in place so I don't have to touch it with my hands. All right, my board is in place. I've got 10 inches. I'm ready, right, Chris?
All right.
Putting the bolt in my pocket so I don't lose it. I'm going to come down, come up, pull it back. Is that too much?
You're good.
It's okay. My feet are on the pads down here. And so now we're ready to cut, just like in surgery. This is orthopedic surgery. All right, cutting. The bolt's back in. The board came off. Thank you very much.
To learn more about the Colorado Center for the Blind, visit our website at www.cocenter.org or call 303-778-1130.